Good evening, my name is John, and this is the Homestead Diary. We had a couple of shower valves bust, and we're working on repairing them. I wanted to show you first what a broken one looks like. You can see here, the plastic is all broken, and we had to pull it out, or we're going to pull it out. Now the other one has already been pulled out and replaced, and that's this here. What I did to identify on the other side of the wall where it was is I drilled a small hole here. And then I took this is from a brake line that someone left behind, and I just pushed it through until I hit the other sheetrock on the other side, and I just started twisting. And I bored a hole through it and found a spot almost exactly where it was opposite of the wall. And so we can go over to the space where you can see that I've now cut a larger hole. So this is the other side. I just simply cut a hole the size of the shower valve cover, just to give me an idea of what's in there. I had to go through some insulation, which isn't that big of a deal. And then on the back side of this board is the shower valve. Now we'll go in the other room and I'll show you the almost completed job, which is remarkably simple. I thought that this was going to be a much more complicated process, but you know, it remains to be seen what exactly needs to be done in total. But here, this is still loose, but what I did is I was able to flip this. Because here on these PEX lines, this will rotate. And so I was able to access this and this. And so this, of course, is the upside down shower valve. And this is the board that was up there. I installed a couple of screws there and on the other side. And so as I flip this over, a little bit easier with two hands. So now it's facing into the shower. It's sticking out the hole there. And then I'll just take this and connect it, screw these in, and then we replace the cover on the other side with the handle, and the job is done. What was quoted to be a very expensive job is in fact something that per valve is only taking a couple of hours. Not a big deal to do. So anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed night.